name's Barbara from Claritystamp in the UK, and welcome to YouTube Tuesday. So we've got a little bit of a rolling thing going on here because a couple of YouTubes ago I did a gel press trick with a stencil, and then this was the waste on chromo cards. So check this out because this is quite interesting. And then I got to thinking if maybe we could be a little bit more strategic about our placement of the alcohol ink. So then I tried to do this one and it came out really beautifully. And this was using another stencil with alcohol ink and then running it through the mangle. So check that one out. Now, when we pulled this one through, this print, we ended up, this is quite comical really, with this on our rather vibrant gel press. This is what happens when you use archival ink on a jelly plate. So now what I'm going to do, just in case it works, I'm going to go back to the beginning and see what happens if I pull this off. So now this is the scrap. You never know until you try. So I need my glasses, I need a brayer, I need a bit of scrap paper, don't need the alcohol ink, done that. Need a bit of copy paper. Get your ducks in a row, Gray. And then I need a piece of stencil card because I need something to pull the print. If this works, happy days. What I'm actually after is this bit in the middle. I'm not holding my breath on this. I'm thinking, do you know what? I'm thinking that possibly what I ought to do, shall we just have a look? What about if I do that? No, I don't think so. So what we're going to do is just spread the white acrylic paint over here like so. Right. And the white acrylic paint, the idea is that the white acrylic paint is going to help us pull a print. Let's see if it works. Okay. So we're just going to, you can see the print through the paint. And I reckon that at about this point, we'll be ready to transfer. So I turn this over now. This is the on the mega mount, so you can see what we're going to get. Well, we're hoping to. I'm really only interested in the bit in the middle. We'll give it a go. It's a bonus if it works. Right, so we'll do that. And then we'll just, oh, I've got a vacuum going. And then we're just going to rub the back, burnish the back. And then hopefully the alcohol ink will be pulled, the print will be pulled with the acrylic paint. So let's give it a go and see if it worked. You never know till you try. This could be brilliant or it could be a bit ropey. Should we have a look? Well, I tell you what, I really like that. It's a bit abstract, I'll give you that. And we just pulled a little bit there. But doesn't that look actually really nice? Now, if I wanted to, this could be a never-ending video. I could take a pencil, couldn't I, or some colouring pencils, and I could just bring out those flowers. I may do that, but that's another day. So I hope you like that. Thanks very much for joining me. Leave a comment, or maybe not. Like and subscribe. You can see where it's come from. If you like what we do, then do join me again next Tuesday. And other than that, thank you for joining me. Bye-bye now.